Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to install MDF skirting boards in Dubai. If you're looking for a cost-effective and easy-to-install solution for your home, MDF skirting boards are the perfect choice. Before we begin, let's take a look at what MDF skirting boards are and why they are a great option for your home in Dubai. MDF stands for medium density fiberboard, which is a type of engineered wood made from wood fibers and resin. MDF skirting boards are made from this material, which makes them more affordable than solid wood skirting boards. They are also easier to install and maintain, and can be painted to match the color of your walls. The first step in installing MDF skirting boards is to measure the length of the walls where you want to install them. Use a tape measure to get an accurate measurement, and add a few extra inches to account for any corners or uneven areas. Once you have your measurements, you can calculate how many skirting boards you will need to purchase. Next, you'll need to cut the skirting boards to the correct length. Use a miter saw to make precise 45-degree cuts at the corners. If you have any uneven areas, you can use a coping saw to trim the skirting board to fit. Be sure to wear safety goggles and work in a well-ventilated area when cutting MDF. Now it's time to fit the skirting boards onto the walls. Start by applying a bead of adhesive along the back of the skirting board, and then press it firmly against the wall. Use a spirit level to ensure that the skirting board is straight and level, and use clamps to hold it in place while the adhesive dries. Repeat this process for each section of skirting board. Once the skirting boards are in place, you can fill any gaps or nail holes with wood filler. Sand the skirting boards smooth and then paint them to match the color of your walls. You may need to apply a few coats of paint to achieve the desired finish. By following these instructions, you can give your home a professional look without breaking the bank.